Jonji news like kilang arado anapane pini ningkang sama kardam pajero desa pini abir tachen nipon iktham.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, in response to the advertisement dated 6/10/2023, page 53, my the petitioners before your lordship is 110 numbers. They have applied for the various constable posts, my lord, in time. After that, medical test, physical standard test, physical efficiency test is conducted, my lord. And on the spot, mark sheet is given. Thereafter, what happened, my lord? That has held in October 2024, my lord. On 12/3/2025, my lord, they published a cutoff marks, my lord, list to list on 12/3/25, in which some of us are above the cutoff marks but not called for the written interview on going to be held on 6/3, my lord. And most of them are below cutoff marks before your lordship. Then, my lord, what happened? They went for a protest in the Lokasil fields, around 600 to 700 numbers. They were some of them were taken to police station. Then some of them were allowed to talk to the members of the board over telephone by OC. Then he promised that he will take action to file a complaint, my lord. Then they have filed on the same day, they have filed a complaint on 13/3, my lord, to DGP, my lord, the chairman. After that, my lord, he, my lord, changed the stand, my lord. And then again, they postponed the already declared to be held written interview on 23/3, my lord. They have changed and deferred after filing this complaint and protest, my lord. And they then declared it on to be on 6/4, my lord, next. Then we have filed another written, my lord, presentation on 22/3 by email. After filing that, some of us, those who have filed that, including the first signatory, are, my lord, issued the interview, my lord, letter for interview to be held in 6/4, my lord. Some of us who were supposed to file a petition before your lordship. Thereafter, my lord, again we have filed another on 24/3, my lord, representations, my lord. These are received, acknowledged. Then they, my lord, come up with a new changed cutoff mark, my lord. Cutoff mark list another on 29/3, I annexed, my lord, with some changing of cutoff marks in some categories. And as per their own admittance, rectified list of cutoff dates is published, will be published on 29th, and it is on there. We annexed it, my lord. As a result, my lord, what happened? First of all, my lord, there was a provision in the advertise itself, clause 9, clause 12, subclause 5. And we have a look, my lord. In that, my lord, they have said that they will publish a consolidated merit list, my lord, after the paid MSTN is over. And they will call for 1:5 candidates. That means, my lord, against one vacant post, they will call for 5 candidates. But till date, my lord, no such consolidated merit list is published. No such district-wise merit list published. My lord, without publishing, individually, they have given a form online. You have to fill up your name and date of birth. You will get your result only. Nobody knows what happened to 2, 3, 4, 5, and why I am not selected and why I am not getting allowed to go for the written test, my lord. After all that, my lord, the chief minister himself on Facebook Live said that it is 1:5. But the provision in herein clear cut saying that it is to be 1:5. Had the 1:5 been called for, my lord, we would have been entered, because only a fraction of marks, only 1 mark, half mark, 0.00 mark, because of which, as per the cutoff date, we are below that. And the below cutoff date is, my lord, fixed long after the interview is over, my lord. So we are not aware how it has happened. Now, again, my lord, there are some cases, my lord, those who have applied for in a particular post, my lord, women quota or some quota, after the exam is over, they in the cause list, they're saying, in the criteria cutoff list, my lord, they're saying that post is not available. After our 3-4 years of, my lord, attempts, trying, long done practicing, running, practicing, many practicing exercise, my lord, for long and arduous, doing this. Now, after exam is over, part of exam is over, they're saying, no, the post is not available. My lord, it is not permissible, my lord. Because they have not yet published the consolidated vacancy list also, my lord, in the districts, my lord. Yeah, my lord, as a result, another one important thing, my lord, as per the, my lord, advertisement, your lordship is very much aware of, subject to correction by your lordship, that maximum limit of reservation should be 50%, my lord. But here, it is 62%, my lord. This is also a violation of the, my lord, fundamental, basic, my lord, mandate of the constitution also, my lord. So, under all the facts, my lord, my humble prayer is that, my lord, either we may be allowed to appear, my lord, in the 6/4, may be allowed, then your lordship will decide, my lord, after getting the documents, whether we are permissible or not. my lord, and if not, my lord, till then not to postpone the same as they postponed earlier after our protest and representation filed, my lord. Either to postpone it, my lord, or let us be included in the, my lord.
We will file affidavit, my lord, because, my lord, I cannot believe, my lord, that is happened. In the earlier occasion, I have seen,
My
my
lord.
lord, so many allegations are there. Ultimately, after getting the instruction, my lord, all are, my lord, hey, all are baseless. So,
My lord.
day after tomorrow examination, my lord. So, today he has come. I cannot even obtain instruction today.
We were assured that action will be taken, my lord. Kindly have a look, my lord, only one page, my lord. Page 214, my lord. 214, my lord. And before that, my lord, 213, my lord. 213, kindly have a look, my lord. Notice dated 28/3/25 by the board, man. Reference notice number so and so, so and so, so and so. A rectification, second paragraph, man, kindly see. After protest and all our submission of a rectification process was conducted due to logical sequencing error in the software program that affected the cutoff marks of social and special categories in the merit list for Constable AB and UB of constables in pursuance of the advertisement dated 6/10/23, my lord. After necessary corrections, additional candidates have been found eligible and included in the list of the written test. The number of total shortlisted candidates are in compliance with the 1:5. Only saying now, my lord. They did not say. After our protest and submissions of written, they're saying, but not, no list is published as of now, my lord. Candidates will read that, my lord. Now, kindly, my lord, have a look kindly at page number 37, my lord. The beginning of the repetition, my lord. Only one example I will show your lordship. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, my lord. Let us come to the course title first, my lord. Only one line. At page number 5, my lord.
Yes.
My petition number 1, my lord. Nobajyoti Kurmi, age so and so, so and so, so and so. Address, my lord, below that, my lord. I have just recorded it for convenience, my lord. Marks code in UB section 31.69, my lord. And below it, my lord, kindly see cutoff marks UB 31.65, my lord. I am above the cutoff marks. I am not even called, but even after the complaints being filed, my lord. Though assured, but nothing is done, my lord. My lord, not any delay, my lord. We were assured that they will do. We are not allowed to protest, my lord. Wherever we gather, that drives us away. We went to the office. I have mentioned, my lord. We went to the office of DGP. We were told that if you come next time, we will face violent treatment. I have categorically mentioned this statement, my lord, in my petition, my lord. Now, my lord, another kindly see one example only, my lord. 225, my lord. Kindly turn to page 225. My lord, this candidate's name is Sumila Nag. She was the first signatory of the representation. Page 225. my lord.
Yes. All right. We'll issue notice, let him file affidavit.
Yes, yes,
If we find there is an anomaly, the whole selection process will be interfered with.
Yes.
Sir. Right now, beyond that, nothing is possible.
My lord, but something, some protection.
What protection?
What
If it will be subject to outcome of the writ petition. What can be done today?
Yes, my
The day after tomorrow exam is there.
Yes.
You can't be allowed. Third mistake.
My lord, may we be provisionally taken at the act, my lord?
No, that's not permissible.
No.
If they have wrongly ousted you, the whole selection process will be quashed.
My lord, kindly maybe recorded this. It will help us, my lord, later.
On 6/10/2023, the State Level Police Recruitment Board had issued an advertisement for recruitment of 563 Assam Police for filling up 563
My
vacant
lord,
posts of
1,000, my lord.
5,563 posts of Assam Police Constable from Anam Branch UB and Arm Branch AB. Full stop. The writ petitioners herein had participated in the selection process. However, alleging anomalous processing of the cutoff mark, anomalous application of the cutoff mark to the marks obtained by the petitioners, leading to their ouster from the selection process. The 110 writ petitioners have approached this court, seeking a writ of mandamus from this court, directing the authorities to allow them to participate in the written test.
My lord, non-publication of the consolidated merit list may kindly be there.
Written test fixed on 6/4/2025. It is also the case of the writ petitioners that due to non-publication of the consolidated uh,
Merit list, my lord.
merit list,
And-
there is complete non-transparency in the process, thus giving an opportunity to the respondents to manipulate with the cutoff marks.
My lord, in 1:5 ratio, my lord, kindly.
All right. Mr. T.C. Chutia, learned additional senior government advocate Assam, appearing for the state, prays for some time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit responding to the allegations made in the writ petition. In view of the above, issue notice of motion returnable on 7th of May 2025. Since Mr. Chutia has appeared and accepted notice for all the respondents, no formal notice is required to be sent in this case. Extra copy of the writ petition, requisitive numbers be furnished to the learned state council so as to enable him to obtain instruction and file affidavit. Hard on the prayer of interim relief, considering the fact that the written test is fixed only 2 days hereafter, that is on 6/4/2025. This court is not inclined to permit the petitioners to provisionally appear in the said test. However, considering the nature of allegations made in the writ petition, it is made clear that the selection process will be subject to outcome of the writ petition.
Right.